I see some... Yo, what? Bro, I see women. Yo, what the fuck? Hey, yo, brother. Yo, what is up and what's going on, everybody? In today's video we're gonna be reviewing my new car, the Peugeot 108. It's a 3-cylinder with 68 horsepower and 70 newton meters of torque. Let's look at the inside. This. So as I said, it's a 3-cylinder with 68 horsepower, 70 newton meters of torque, so it's a pretty slow car. But yeah, compared to my previous car, the BMW, yeah, the monthly costs of this car are just way better. I mean, not better, lower. I also owned a Volkswagen Up before, and we're basically going to be comparing this car to the Volkswagen Up. So yeah, let's go for a test drive and talk a little bit about this car and compare both cars. By the way, we're in the middle of Halfweg, which is near Amsterdam. And yeah, going to Amsterdam for a little drive. And the first thing I have to mention is the interior. I mean, compared to the Volkswagen Up, there are some advantages and there are also some disadvantages compared to the Up. Yeah, if we start with the cup holders, for example, this one has 2 cup holders up front and the Volkswagen Up only has 1, so that's already a plus for this car. But if you look at the interior in general, look at this. I mean, it looks pretty goofy. The Volkswagen Up looks way better interior wise, but again, if you look at the small things like the steering wheel, this one has buttons to go to the next song, volume buttons, you have buttons to take a call, to end a call, which the Up doesn't have. So as I said, advantages, disadvantages. Engine wise, I can't really compare it because they're both pretty slow cars. This one has 68 horsepower. I think the Up has like 70, or I don't know how much to be exact. Both 3-cylinders. It's basically the same. It's basically the same. I mean, if I full throttle, look at this. It's not going. It's not going. It's very slow. Holy shit. But yeah, engine wise, the same. Both cars have Bluetooth connection for your favorite songs or whatever. It has radio connect. It has radio. It has a clock. What else do you need for a small car like this? If you're gonna get some groceries, if you're gonna go to your work or whatever, this is a very good car. Monthly costs are low. Yeah, fuel consumption is amazing. By the way, one big plus for Volkswagen Up, because they have a phone holder in the middle of the console right here, which is amazing for navigation. This one doesn't really have something to keep up your phone, you know. So I basically put up a magnet at the back of my phone. I put up a magnet there, and I have a magnet phone holder, and I just put it through the vents of the car. So yeah, that's one fix. But if you don't have something like that, if you don't have a magnet, it's gonna be very hard to mount your phone inside the car. I have to say, if you're going for long distances with this car or the Volkswagen Up, I would not recommend both, because the seats are not comfortable at all. So yeah, I've driven a lot of kilometers with this one, as well as the Up, but it's not comfortable. It's not comfortable. I went to Germany, I went to Belgium with this car, which is a 2 to 3 hour drive for me. And yeah, after the drive, my back basically hurt, so I wouldn't recommend it. I wouldn't recommend it at all. Besides that, we're in Amsterdam now, in Slotermeer. Yeah, it's very slow. I've had a BMW 1 Series before, a 116i with 136 horsepower. I gotta say, it's not much. 136 horsepower is not much at all, but compared to this 69 horsepower, you really notice the difference. You really notice it. And especially if you put the BMW in sports mode, you really notice it. That was a manual as well, but yeah, the fuel consumption, the monthly costs, as I said before, are just higher than this one. And if you're a new driver like me, I think I have my driver's license for 1 year or something, insurance isn't going to be happy with you. Here in the Netherlands, insurance prices are crazy. It's ridiculous. For new drivers, you're gonna pay a big bag. So yeah, I'd really recommend to purchase a small car like this, like the Volkswagen Up, and not go crazy with an old BMW E46 330i, whatever. I wouldn't recommend it because maintenance costs are gonna smash you in your butt really deep. Second, monthly cost like insurance is gonna smash you in your butt very deep. So yeah, I would not recommend it at all. Just go for a small car like this, get used to driving, get used to manual driving, real driving, and if you think you're ready for it, if you have a decent income, then you could go for it. But yeah, at the end of the day, it's your choice, but I wouldn't recommend a big car as like a new driver. They put the limit to 30 in Amsterdam, which is crazy to me. I mean, we're going to 30 right now and we're barely moving forward, bro. Especially if you have a driver like this in front of you. You're not going forward. Train more ladies. Bro, that's a ladies gym? When are we getting a male-only gym, bro? Why always the ladies? Where's the male-only gym?
Caution, roadworks.
Yeah, no shit, roadworks. Yo, what is this biker doing? Buddy is lost. Does this look like a fucking bike road to you? What the fuck? Welcome to the Netherlands. Hello. Hello. Bro. Ghosts. We're waiting for ghosts. Finally. What took you so long, bro? Okay, so we're in the middle of Amsterdam right now. Stationsplein. Central Station is on the left. This is a 30 road as well, by the way, but I'm not gonna risk it going 50 here. I'd break the fucking car if I went 50 here. Yo, what the I see some... Yo, what? Bro, I see women. Yo, what the fuck? Hey, yo, brother. I didn't know there were women here. Come on. That was not the official plan. That was not the plan, boys. That's not what I was looking for. I'm just going for a test drive in Amsterdam, but I'm not looking for fucking red lights. Come on, bro. Brother. Yo, what the fuck? That's not what I was looking for, and that was not what I was expecting. Holy shit. No way, bro. No fucking way. Coffee shop. New Times. If you're looking for some fresh veggies, you know where to be. have to take a left from here. Bro, what the f... Alright boys, this is it for me. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the the little test drive in Amsterdam. Yeah, I don't think the car was happy being here. And if you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate if you guys could drop a sub and the thumbs up, obviously. And yeah, I'm gonna drive home now. Guys, stay safe and have a good one. Take care. Bye.